Welcome to BaseServers.net. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your own FiveM server. So first what you have to do is log into our website BaseServers.net. Right now I've only uploaded one package, but I will be uploading more. So this is the 4 GB of RAM package. It is run on a Intel i9, very good, 60 GB storage. So this is good for starter. We only have Europe right now. Leave autoport as autoport. Everything else should stay the same except change your host name. Base service test. You can change your max players. I'll do 20. Okay, and then you should be able to check out with PayPal, debit card, all that. But I'll be doing it with my balance. Okay, once everything's alright, you've gone through the payment process, complete the checkout, and it has been completed. Okay, so once you have paid for your FiveM server, go to the dashboard, click on your server, and go to console. Everything is still starting up. I'll give it a minute. Okay, you should see this message, your public IP and a PIN. So as we can see, open up network. We have 2 ports set. This is our primary port. This is used for our TX admin. Right, so copy this second address with the IP and the second port, not the primary. Paste it into your browser. Wait for it to load. Okay, now it's asking you for a PIN. So go back here and you can see your PIN. Mine is 1097. Okay, now it should link your TX admin to the server right now. So we have to sign up to TX admin. Okay, now we have to authorize TX admin to manage our server. So let's press continue. Okay, so now you want to copy your Discord ID, which there are many resource guides on how to get that, but if you have developer mode on Discord, right click your name and it should give you Discord ID. I've got mine there, and create a backup password. Accept and register. Okay, now you are connected. You can see that here is our IP and here is our port. So we're on the right page. Now we have to set this up. Okay, next, give a server name. I'll do base servers test. Okay, so deployment type, you can choose any of these, but this is the recommended. Okay, select a template. If you want a default FiveM CFX, choose this one, but the ESX legacy is, like it says, the most popular FiveM RP framework with jobs, housing, vehicles, and more, so I would choose this. These two don't apply because they are not for FiveM. If you're more advanced, you can go for this. But as a basic server, I suggest ESX legacy or CFX default. So I'll go with ESX legacy because that is a little more difficult. This is straightforward. Alright, so just save data location and go to the dashboard. So this is our receipt. Nothing to really change here. This is just the press next. Okay, your license key. So you have to receive a license key. So first, head to Keymaster. Okay, so we want to register a new server. As you can see, I am signed in. We can have 3 active servers. So let's register a new server. Put your display name, anything you want it to be called. Okay, now gets the part where we need to put our initial server IP address without the port, so no port. To find this, go back to your console. Okay, and there's two ways to find it. You see this IP address without the semicolon. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently signed in. So we want to register a new server, any display name, now your initial server IP address without the ports. So there's two ways to find this. Go to console and you see this HTTPS and this number before the colon. You can copy it or you can find it on your TCP, this number before the semicolon. So let's copy this, paste it there, take that out, just choose dedicated server, base servers. All right, let's generate this. Okay, so now we have a license key. This is my current license key. Let me copy that and paste it into license key. Okay, don't go too fast. Don't run the receipt now. Press advanced options. Okay, now we need to create a database. So first of all, we have to get our IP again. Go back here, copy this, and put that as the database host. Alright, so it should be the same for you for now. If it's different, just copy the different code that is given here. The database port. Okay, now we have to create a database. So you should be able to click databases, create. Let's name it FiveM. Alright, so we have our FiveM database. Let's view it. Copy the username, put it in there, copy the password, put it in there. Database port should stay the same unless you see a change here, but it should stay the same. Now our database name, this is the current database name. Let's put it here. Okay, now we want to run the receipt. Alright, so now it is done downloading and installing. You should get all tasks completed and it should say done. If not, contact our support in Discord or on our website and we'll help you through it. Now let's press next. Alright, so now we get to this section. This is quite important as you see endpoint add TCP and UDP. The last bit is the port. Now you want to go over to your network and copy your primary port and paste it both here and here. Now here you can change your settings if you want, like your tags, host name, project name, description, etc. But let's save and run the server. Alright, so now it seems like it is finished and it has started. Everything should be good from here. It should say online, and here is your dashboard and your console. So you can stop server, restart, kick or play, send an announcement. I suggest restarting your server from TXAdmin and not from the console. But if you do from here, it should be fine. And you should see exactly here. And you should see the same in your console, the base servers, and TXAdmin. You can check your CPU usage, memory usage, and disk usage. Okay, so now if you want to join the server, go back to your key master, or you can search it in the FiveM and click the ID and you can see your listing. Let's give it some time. And here you can see base servers test. You can change all the settings through here in your CFG editor and settings. You can go here, player manager, you can set admins and whitelist. There's many different actions you can do here. If you want to install mods, you can go through your files, and there's many tutorials on YouTube on how to install FiveM mods. Okay, so now you have your server set up. I suggest you save this, or you can get it back in your console. Or you can log into TXAdmin. You can also do SFTP transfers through here, username using FileZilla, etc. So this is my tutorial on how to start a FiveM server with BaseServers.net. Thank you for watching.